friends, this is Lady Flora, and in this video I wanted to show you what we did for our desert unit study. We had a couple of really lovely books that we got from the library. This is one of them. It was a pop-up book that we had a lot of fun playing with. We also made a desert habitat for my daughter to play with. We used a little bit of sand from our sandbox outside, some rocks, some succulents, and like a little dead air plant there, and we used our desert tube animals that we got from Amazon. We also made a desert unit study book, of course, which I will show you in a few moments. We are writing out this verse, Psalm 105:14, on this horizontal preschool storytelling paper. It is actually available as an instant download on my Etsy shop, and if you're interested, I will put a link in the description box below if you want to go check that out.
So this here is the Desert Life book, and here's some facts at the beginning. It says, do you know desert boars eat cactuses? Do you know the what is it again?
Mojave?
The Mojave Desert gets about 5 inches of rain a year. Here it is. Great Salt Lake Desert, Mojave Desert, Painted Desert, Saharan Desert.
And these are all the deserts of the United States.
Yeah. I almost forgot. Fox eats the rabbit, and the rabbit eats cacti grass. Who lives in the desert? Here's the bat, and here's the pack rat, and here's a tortoise, and here's a boar, here's a sunshine boar, and here's a ground squirrel, here's a tarantula, here's a birdie, and here's an adult owl, here's an owlet, bat.
Using an X-Acto knife, we cut little doors.
Yeah, that's it.
And put little creatures behind the doors, and we wrote what they were called.
Yeah, tortoise.
Yeah. Can you show the next page?
Here is a painting of me, and
what is that a painting of?
Okay. Here's a painting of a desert sunset, and here are animals talking together. Wow, lizards have spikes. Lizards have spikes. Wow, those are really scratchy. Hi. He opened the rock, and the water gushed out. It flowed like a river in the desert. Psalm 10:5.
Psalm 105:41.
Psalm 105:41.
Good job, honey. I really enjoyed making this book with you, and I'm really proud with how it turned out. And I think it was really fun, and I learned a lot about the desert. I had no idea that there were so many creatures that lived in the desert. If you're new to this channel, I have a 6-year-old girl songbird, a 3-year-old boy man cub.
Which is taking his nap.
Yes, he's taking his nap now. And this newbie here, baby professor, Mr. Boy, Bright Eyes. We love him so much. We make lots of videos on this channel about homeschooling, adventures, and day-in-the-life videos, and curriculum reviews. So if you're interested in that, you can subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified when we upload a new video. And now I want to hear what you have to say. So like, share, subscribe,
and comment
away.
And after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day. Let me say it.